Hi, and welcome back to Elementary Connection. Today, we will be working on the letter B sound. That's right, the letter B sound. B. So, this is our activity. We have so many pictures here. There's a lot of pictures here. And what we need to do is find out whether or not these pictures starts with the letter B sound, b, or no, they do not begin with the letter B sound. Okay, so let's look at our first picture, and you have to tell me yes if it makes the b sound, or no, thumbs down if it does not make the b sound. So let's go for the letter B. B. Bed. Does bed starts with the b sound? When I say bed, bed, do you hear me say b? Bed, b, bed. Yes, you heard the b sound. Let's look at our next picture. An astronaut. Astronaut. Now, when we say astronaut, do we hear the b sound? Astronaut. Do I say b when I say astronaut? Astronaut? B? No. There's no b in astronaut. How about cat? Does cat starts with the b sound? Cat. Cat? Cat? No. When you say cat, there's no b in the beginning of cat. So no for cat. How about ball? When we say ball, do you hear the b sound? Ball, ball, b, ball. Do your mouth go b? Come on, say ball, ball. Do your mouth go b? B, ball. Yes, your mouth go b for ball. We have a few more pictures to go. How about a deer? Deer. Say deer with me. Deer. Deer. Remember, we're looking for the b sound. B. So when you say deer, do you hear b? B. Deer. Listen, deer. Deer. Does your mouth go b? Deer. No, your mouth does not say b. Let's keep looking. Yeah, b. How about and? Let me see. Ooh, look at this man. He's walking across something. He's walking across a bridge. Do you see the water in the middle? And you see the brown thing that he's walking across? That's a bridge. He used the bridge to cross over the water to get from one side to the next. So let's say it with me. Say bridge. 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 So when you say bridge, do you hear the b in the beginning? Bridge. Bridge. Do your mouth say b? Bridge. Yes. Yes for bridge. How about bear? Bear. Do you hear b? Bear. Bear. Yes. Your mouth go b for bear. We have two more pictures. We have an elephant and we have a beaver. Let's look at the elephant. Now remember, we need the letter B sound. B. So let's see for elephant. Does elephant say b? When we say elephant, elephant, does it start with a b? Elephant, b, elephant. elephant? No. Elephant does not say B. Elephant does not say B. But we have a beaver. B-b-b-b. Beaver. So does the beaver say B? Yes. B-b-b-b. Beaver. Woohoo! We did it. We found all of the words that starts with the letter B. These words was a no. They do not start with the letter B sound. So let's look at all of our b words. We have bear, bed, bridge, ball, and beaver. You are super smart. Isn't learning all about the letter B sound excited and fun? Well, I had a great time learning about the letter B sound. I hope you had a great time, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.